So the main reason why I decided to buy my own shop brush, obviously the wheel bearings, different kind of car bushings and so on. The knife. Everything is here. All the hardware put it aside so we don't lose it. This is obviously the part of the box, the cylinder mounting. The pump itself, bear in mind this is a two pump system. One has a higher stroke and the other is a smaller stroke. So this is also better. Obviously the hydraulic line, if you can see, this one is threaded. This should be the quick connection, if I'm right or no. No, it's threaded as well. Some of them come with quick connections. Obviously the main unit, the cylinder itself. Place it aside. This whole package weighs 110 kilograms. So you got to be sure that you have enough muscle to lift it into the place. Handle. So this is the contamination. I mean, this is what it contains from the box itself. You can see all those nuts and bolts and the washers are everywhere around. So not very well packaged, what you can see. So anyway, I'll turn the camera back on once I start installing this everything together. I think this part is kind of boring to watch what I'm doing here right now. So be back soon. Where I started the upper part first to put together. Here goes the fat strong bolts. Obviously I haven't tightened them yet, but that's the plan, to go that way. Since this plate must slide into this goes right here as well. This part, which goes middle here into standing poles where you can lift it, this you can bolt later on, so I'm not going to do it yet. So I'm assembling down part, the legs and everything, putting it together, tightening everything up so I can lift it where I want it to sit, because then it's much lighter if there is no other hardware attached to it. But which is a great part about the scale. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? It's destroyed, and obviously it's not by me, it's to the fact the transport company has probably tossed it around heavily and then it's destroyed totally. So I need to start calling to the shop, very next day, because today it's already too late to call there. So everything starts to become together. I have to attach the hydraulic line. First I have bolted, tighten up, everything is together. Anything I ain't left from the bolt, so I guess I did it right, at least. Anyway, now what you have to do with the pump. But you got the pump assembled here. Back there is a screw, the hex drive. Take your hex bit, turn this out, and then place the hose into it. Is it the same size? It is. I guess I took it right on apart. So I take the hose, plug it in. Obviously some oil came out from it, from here. And now, when everything is finished, you can see, there's the pressure valve. As you can see, I tightened this bolt so we don't create a leak until I get this sorted out. Otherwise it's working. Everything together. I don't see any kind of leaks. Nice and dry. Nothing pressing out or something. Yeah, and everything seems to be okay, I guess. And as you can see, I have quite a metal frame here. It's bending it. I'm applying pressure. Obviously, it's not wise to do that. Be careful. Make sure everything's straightened up, but it does.